Hi, welcome to my channel Too Irrational. I'm Pranesh Sharma, and in this video we'll take a look at index link bond and talk about how we'll solve them in our MS Word for our examination CM1 paper A. So here we have a very simple type of an index link bond where they have given us the coupon rate, they have given us the time lag. So we have the government of a country issues at par index link bond in April 2008 with maturity after exactly 3 years and a coupon at the rate of 8.25% per annum payable yearly in arrears. The coupons and redemption amount are linked to the inflation index with 1 year time lag. So this is our inflation index, and they are asking us to calculate the price an investor would have paid in order to achieve the real yield at 7%. So what you can do is you can make a table. Okay. So for such type of a question, you can directly make a table from insert and table, and depending on how many rows and column you need, you can insert a table, right? Insert table, and you can insert the table and fill your table as you would on paper, and you will get your solution here. You can see that I have done here. Okay. The other thing you can do is you can create an Excel sheet inside the Word document. Now, for any student who is giving an Indian paper, IAI Institute paper, inserting an Excel sheet like I am going to show you is not allowed. Okay. This is only for the IFOA students. So we'll go to table, and in table you have here Excel spreadsheet. So you can insert this Excel spreadsheet and you can solve any question as you would in Excel. So you can, it takes a little bit time. So you can see here I have an Excel spreadsheet, and this format is basically my Excel has now been opened inside my Word. So I can increase the space for this. I can write here year nominal cash flow actual if you want, you can make an inflation table here, okay, and then link it. You can make an index here. So from the question, you can do anything and everything that we can in Excel. Okay, so here what you can do is you can multiply, divide the same way. You can write the formula here. If you want, you can even use goal seek and stuff. So here you have data, you have your what if analysis. Everything that you can do in Excel can be done here. And when you're done, just click outside and you will get back to your Word document. You can see, and this is my table here. Okay. If you want to edit it again, you can go inside, like I want this nominal cash flow and everything to be seen. I'll double click and I will get back here, and I can select this. I can select wrap text. Now we can see everything. Okay, and then I can get back out. So again you can see that I have my Excel sheet as a table here. Do check out the other videos that I have made on solving our examination questions in MS Word. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.